I look rough. It is currently March 19th. I'm not on vacation anymore, obviously, but I am editing this. And I realized that I never did an intro to it. And I look like crap because I haven't showered. I have a hot cup of, hot cocoa made from my Keurig, and that's it. But I just wanted to give you guys kind of like an intro to this. So I'm sorry that I look like crap and the lighting is horrible. So it looks like I have very dark eyes. My eyes look like death. But this is just kind of a video montage of me going to Boston a few times on my trip. The first day I went was March 9th, and it was on a Monday. Then I went the 10th. And then those are basically the two main days that I went. I did go to Boston on Friday with my other friend, but I didn't get as many clips because we just walked around Boston, and it was a colder day, and we were literally Ubering places, so it was very hard to get footage. But this is going to be a bunch of different photos, clips. I'm going to do little transitions so you guys know what day and whatnot and what's going on in the video. But I just wanted to make that clear. It's just a video of me in Boston and whatnot. There's videos and clips from Museum of Science, me walking around in Boston, the Aquarium, leaving Boston. There's a lot of photos and clips. So stay tuned. photo booth, and now I'm filming the outro on photo booth, because apparently I didn't film either one for this. But this whole video is a Boston, not vacation, because I did a staycation from both my jobs, but I went to Boston 3 out of 7 to 8 days that I had off, whatever, for the vacation. And this is kind of a montage of all of it together. Not every clip I was in Boston, but I keep burping, I'm sorry. For 98% of the video I was in Boston. Towards the end, I'm obviously not in Boston. But I just wanted to kind of just give you guys a little rundown. I have a few videos coming out soon. I have this one. I just did the March box return 2 weeks ago. Sorry this wasn't up a week later. I've had a lot of stuff going on, obviously. That's why I haven't gotten to posting it. But I have a March 2020 box return that just went up. I have this video, and then I have a vacation haul, and then I have a clean my apartment with me coming up that I filmed even it was right before I went back from vacation. So all of it was generally filmed on my vacation, but I just haven't had a chance to edit and upload it and all of that. I also just wanted to make you guys aware that I am not, being, I guess you could say, ignoring the whole situation going on at hand right now. I'm not going to say specific terms because I know YouTube is not happy with that. They're demonetizing or something like that with it. But I am still working. I have 2 essential jobs. Both my jobs are essential. My hours have been cut, but I am still working. I actually have one of my jobs in literally a little over 3 hours. But I just wanted to kind of just say that I am staying home. Me and my boyfriend have been staying home. We're only going out for groceries and work and just legit essential stuff. We haven't been going out for anything stupid. Thankfully, he is more of a homebody than me. So this is kind of a crappy part on me because I'm the type of person, I'll go out, see my friends, hang out with my friends, we'll go get a drink, after work, I'll go get a drink, went out at a bar, whatever it is. So this is more probably hard on me, not even because oh, I can't go to a bar, I can't go out and go to a restaurant and buy food because I can come home, drink, food, whatever here, I have everything here. It's just not being able to see my friends and not being able to be around my family because I do live not at home, obviously. I mean, I live 8 minutes from my parents, but it's state border, actually, fun fact. My parents are in a different state than me. So it's we live 8 minutes away, but I live right off the state border. So I just wanted to kind of give you guys that little rundown. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, I edited the first half towards the middle/end of March and the rest of it just now, the last 5 photos. So the whole video is basically edited weeks ago and then now April 6th. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm really, really sorry about if it's all over the place or not, but I hope it makes you guys happy and I hope you guys appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my vacation haul, even though the vacation haul was filmed weeks ago. So literally, like I said, this is time travel, y'all. Y'all see me. The next video you see me in, it'll be weeks ago. Before. Have a nice day, guys. Comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.